2016 सालात जायका केशीत अडकल्ले आमदार दिगंबर कामतीक 2014 परत न्यायालया मुखार हजर रावचे पडिल्ले. मात 2017 परत ह्या केशीत तांकां पुलिशेन हजर रावपाक लायले. पूण सोमारा तांकां ह्या केशींतल्यान जामीन मंजूर जाल्या ही माहिती ॲडव्होकेट पराग राव हांणी दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गुवाहाटी पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली.
Interim anticipatory bail has been granted to him as he was called today in the police station at 11 o'clock. This is an old crime of 2013 for which he had gone to the police station in 2014, had cooperated, he was interrogated thoroughly, and now suddenly he was called again in the year 2017, that is today at 11 am. That is why we rushed to the court and have obtained the interim protection. Now he has gone to the police station. He has been granted interim protection. If he is arrested, then he will be immediately released on execution of bond.
How much is the bond?
Bond is about 1 lakh. There is always a fear of arrest whenever you are called to the police station. And considering the position that he holds, the fear is that much more. Anyway, we have set out the details in the application itself.